Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I made a very beautiful, very affordable crochet wig. So yeah guys, so this is me just fitting on the hair according to my liking. However, if you want a bulky hair, you can go for like 3 packs. So for me, I just used only 2 packs, and this hair, it was really easy to make and very affordable, because everything was less than 50 rand, which is about $3, because the hair that I purchased was about 15 rand 1 pack, and 2 of them make up to 30 rand, then including a mesh cap, which is about 10 rand. So everything was about 40 rand, which is also less than $3. So I really like this hair, guys. It was giving me the vibe, because we are currently in autumn, which is a fall, right? So we're currently on autumn approaching winter. This is a very good wig for the season, right? So if you like this video up to so far, kindly subscribe, like and share. Then I'll see you on my next video.